They on vacation. Once. Too bad they're gonna have to stop because this. I feel so bad for them. Oh?
My humble servant? Why can't the real world be like this?
Penelope.
My heart doth swell at the sight of thee. My brave surname, I shall follow where you lead. Hey, you're still here.
Yeah, I don't get the same vacation time as the rest of the team. Gotta make sure there's plenty of work for them.
Oh, the last episode.
What are we
Sleep
doing?
well, sweet prince. Ah, I love Penelope.
Yeah, it's an online world. See? I'm just outside the magical city of Camelot adventuring with the incredible Sir Nafe.
Oh, the incredible Sir Nafe.
JJ, this guy is amazing.
Oh gosh, please tell me you don't have a crush on a fictional character.
He's not fictional. He's the online alter ego of a real person.
Mm-hmm. I mean, you don't know anything about him, or even if he is a him.
Okay, you know what? Look, we meet online at specified times that he is never late to. We spend hours adventuring and chatting, during which time I have his undivided attention and he lavishes me with flattery.
Wow.
When was the last time you had a date go that well?
See if he's got a fictional brother, alright?
Yeah,
See if
he
he's got-
doesn't.
Cousin, uncle, grandfather, whatever.